Hey, my name is Pat. I'm here with T1V. I'm going to be demonstrating our visual collaboration solutions on this beautiful 6x3 planar wall. This is a 0.9 pixel pitch touch LED wall. ThinkHub can do a lot of things, but it's great in visual and collaboration centers, experience centers, anywhere where there's a lot of people that want to get together and work on projects collaboratively. So I'll take you through a little bit of a demo of ThinkHub. Obviously, we have built-in VCs, so we can work with Zoom, Teams, Webex, and Google Meet very easily. You can go from one meeting to another, total interoperability. But if I was to launch my session, you'll see that we have this beautiful large canvas to work with. Same touch gestures that you're used to, so I can kind of move around the canvas freely. A couple of built-in apps that we have. I can launch a web browser, and so obviously this browser I can pinch and zoom as well. We can have multiple browsers. We can have multiple people up here at the display interacting with it. Easy to use browser. We have a sticky note. So just your kind of standard sticky note. I can change the background colors. I can annotate all over that if I'd like. We have a whiteboard, just like what it sounds like. You can easily whiteboard. I could take that full screen, do a full session of whiteboarding, and then pinch it back down and save it for later. We have a group. And so with our group, we can take that content that we've been working on, drag it into the group, and now that entire group moves freely, and we can start to build on this to make like a project. So very good use case for architecture, engineering, design firms, technology companies, really anything in corporate where you want to get a team together to work on a large project, especially on this wide and large wall. But I can take that group. I could hide the content if I want. I don't have to. We also have the ability to bring in extra content, so I can come down here into our media tray, bring in a PDF. I can drag that PDF and resize it however I want. I could make that full screen as well. So if I wanted to focus on that, annotate on it, I could do that very easily. And then again, I could minimize that back down and continue using it in the canvas. A couple of very easy to use tools in here. I won't go into a ton of detail, but we can change the background color of the canvas. We can hide the tray. We can turn off the grid line. So lots of capability in there. And then on the right side, currently we just have a camera, but I can bring in hardline inputs there as well if I'd like. HDMI feeds, tons of versatility with that. And then one of the great features is I can also bring in content wirelessly from anywhere in the world. So we can have up to 50 people connected this way, bringing in content, sharing their stuff into the canvas. Just a very collaborative tool, and one of the best parts being this large, wide planar wall does a great job showing our software. So definitely, if you want to hear more, come to t1v.com and we're happy to help.